Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the power volume flex on the Samsung Galaxy A13 5G mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then proceed with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the SIM slot or charging port using a picker or car pry tool. Insert the tool and gently slide it around the phone to release the plastic clip securing the frame. Be careful when removing the back cover, as the fingerprint sensor is attached. Take out the back cover and then remove the logic board cover by undoing 7 screws. Once all screws are removed, use a pry tool to lift the cover. Next, disconnect the battery plug and free the fingerprint bracket, and then disconnect the fingerprint plug. Now, the back cover can be fully separated from the phone's body. To remove the power volume flex, the logic board must be taken out. Next, disconnect the LCD plug from the board and then undo the screw holding the board. And also can unplug both antenna heads or leave them as it is. Next, gently pull out the logic board from the body. Next, pull out the not working power volume flex from the side of the frame. First, apply some heat to soften the adhesive holding the flex. And then gently pull out the unit using a tweezer. Next, place and secure the new power volume flex on the body. Next, secure the logic board in the body and then connect the LCD plug and antenna head if you have disconnected. Finally, secure the logic board by adding the screw. Next, secure the fingerprint plug and the bracket. Next, connect the battery plug. Next, secure the logic board cover by adding 7 screws. Next, before closing the device, always turn on the device for testing. Finally, press the back cover firmly into the place and slide along the edges to lock the clips securely. Also, insert the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.